Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add header.php file in website in PHP. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in hosting. Now you see files and then you see include. So this is our folder. So click on it. So now we are going to create header.php file. So we are going to create new file. Now you see plus icon and then you see file. So you can add file name header.php and then click on OK. Now you see file is created. Now open it. Now paste code. So you can add code according to your requirement and then click on save file. Now you see file save. So we are going to add this file in our home page. Now close. Now back to folder. Now you see index.php. So click on it. Now we are in code editor. Now paste. Now you see PHP tag and then you see include and then you see include. So this is our folder name and then you see header.php file. So this is format. So we add header.php file using include and then click on save file. Now file save and done. Go to website page. Now open. Now you see header is added. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.